Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So first, the derivative of the function in here, we can do about dy over dx. Next, y will go to the left, dx will go to the right, and we got about dy over y equals to k dx. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. And we got the final answer. The integral of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of y. The integral of k dx, you got about ks plus c. Next, we put about e for the both sides. And this one we can put about e to the power of ks multiplied by e to the power of c. And we know that e to the power of c we can write about c, and that's about constant. This one we got about the absolute value of y. We know that c can be about positive or negative number, so we can put about like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.